Let's get straight to it. You have a critical automation project on the line, and you need an RPA developer yesterday, so you post a job description loaded with every technical buzzword you can think of: UiPath, Blue Prism, Python, SQL, AWS, you name it. But what if I told you that this exact strategy is actively scaring away the exact A players you need to hire? You're not just looking for a technician, you're looking for a business transformer. It's not just about writing code or connecting APIs. It's about understanding a business process so deeply that they can replicate it, improve it, and teach a robot to do it flawlessly, 24/7. When your job post reads like a laundry list of unrelated technologies, you signal that you don't actually know what you need. Elite developers see that as a red flag. They swipe left. So what's the alternative? It starts with clarity. Before you write a single word of that job description, get crystal clear on what success looks like, what processes you target, and what pain points you solve. Focus on the problem first, and you'll attract developers who are passionate about solving it. Are you ready to make that shift? Let's break down what you're really looking for. An RPA Developers Toolkit has two distinct layers: essential technical skills and game-changing soft skills. On the technical side, proficiency in at least one of the big three RPA platforms is non-negotiable: UiPath, Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, hands-on, demonstrable experience building, deploying, and maintaining automations on your platform. Anything less is a gamble you can't afford to take. Now the nice-to-haves: scripting like Python, PowerShell, SQL, cloud familiarity with AWS or Azure, accelerators, not prerequisites. Technical skills are only half the story. The elite ones shine because of their soft skills. Problem solving, they are digital detectives. Adaptability, they pivot when requirements change. Obsessive attention to detail, because one misplaced variable can cause thousands of errors. And master communicators, they translate process into code and performance back into business language. To test this, ask, walk me through a time you had to automate a process you initially didn't understand. How did you get the information, and who did you talk to? Their answer will tell you everything: process discovery, stakeholder outreach, and pragmatic problem solving. Remember, core platform expertise is your foundation. Soft skills are the multiplier. Hire for both, and your automations will scale and stick. So you know who you're looking for. Now, where do you find them? Don't post on a generic job board and expect the best to come to you. LinkedIn is your #1 resource. Use advanced search filters to find RPA certifications and target company experience. Second best, referrals. A recommended RPA developer is partially vetted already. Offer a meaningful referral bonus. Engage niche communities, UiPath Community Forum, RPA subreddits, Discord channels to access dedicated talent. Participate, don't just broadcast. Reference specific projects when you reach out. Once candidates roll in, use a fair, structured assessment. Sourcing, a practical technical test, and a final interview. Use standardized scorecards and score candidates after each interaction. Give a practical test, not a gotcha quiz. Provide a small, real-world process to automate. Example, a sample invoice PDF and an Excel sheet. Build a bot that extracts invoice number, date, and total and populates the sheet. This checks core RPA skills, problem solving, and attention to detail. Use your ATS to manage scheduling, feedback, and ensure the process is transparent and compliant. Compare candidates on data, not gut. Objective metrics reduce bias. Do this and you'll hire developers who can deliver durable automation value. Let's talk about the landmines. Even with best intentions, common traps lead to bad hires. Trap 1, overvaluing credentials. Degrees and certification look good on paper, but don't prove practical automation skill. I've seen self-taught developers outperform PhDs when it comes to shipping reliable automations. Trap 2, rushing the process because the deadline is looming. Resist it. A bad hire costs broken automations, lost morale, and wasted salary. Trap 3, ignoring team fit. A brilliant coders who can't collaborate will poison the team. Have candidates meet future colleagues and collect candid feedback. Be vigilant about unconscious bias. We all have it. Use standardized scorecards, ask the same core questions, and use diverse panels to reduce bias and improve compliance. By focusing on objective criteria, you let skills, not bias, drive hiring decisions. This isn't just fair, it builds the strongest team. Slow down, be deliberate, and trust your structured process. Automation is a team sport. hire people who can pass the baton. You found a technically skilled candidate. Now understand their motivation. A candidate motivated only by money is a flight risk. You can't ask illegal personal questions, but ask compliant, specific professional drivers. Try. What specifically excites you about the challenges you'd be working on here? A weak answer echoes the job description. A strong answer links past impact to your problem. Strong. I built a bot that cut purchase order reconciliation time by 80%. I want to bring that to your supply chain. Assess culture fit with work style questions. Describe the environment where you do your best work. Ask, what management style helps you stay motivated and productive? When you found the right person, make a strong offer. The RPA market is competitive. Use market data for compensation and emphasize interesting projects, growth, and culture. The right hire pays for itself tenfold. Don't waste time. Reflect on your process, implement these strategies, and go find the RPA developer who will revolutionize your business. If you're hiring right now, check peopleteam.com, hiring for ready templates and scorecards. If this helped, subscribe for more hiring guides. Thanks. Go hire better.